Are you sure we're supposed to be talking about this product today? It's literally called Discreet. Hey everyone! Welcome back to CTAC Studios. My name is Jake Pack, and today I'm going to show you a product that when your project is finished, it's going to leave your client asking, where the heck is this lighting coming from? That's right. Today we're talking about the new Corelite Discreet Linear. Now the name does kind of speak for itself, doesn't it? It's truly intended to slip away into the space without causing any major visual distraction in the ceiling above. Now, what's really behind the technology of making this fixture so discreet? Well, we should first probably talk about glare. As you may already know, any fixture with a UGR rating under 19 is pretty good and can meet LEED standards. The Corelite Discreet doesn't want to be just good, it wants to be the absolute best. So we're able to get as low as a UGR rating of 6 when using the black baffle, and even as low as a 13 when using the white baffle. So let's talk further about how we're able to get such a low UGR rating out of this product. It's done with an innovative technology called TIR optic, which is short for total internal reflection. TIR is a great way to get the best efficiency out of the LED chips. It allows us to have better control of the optical beam. Now, where this comes in handy when using a product like this is when you're using a black baffle, like you're seeing right here. Typically, when you're using a regressed lens product with a black baffle or a louver, there can be a high light loss factor due to the low reflectance of the black finish, and it's just less controlled beam optic. But with the Discreet, Corelite has designed this product with a perfect 80-degree beam intended to lower the potential light loss factor while still offering the best performance and light spread. So, it's time to talk numbers, because it's really important when looking at a product like this. So, the Corelite Discreet has up to 127 lumens per watt when using the direct-indirect suspended mount. And even when just using the direct with black baffle, you can expect to get up to 110 lumens per watt, which is insanely impressive. Now, you might have heard me mention direct-indirect suspension, right? Well, get this, Cooper Lighting is bringing you a crossover of two of your favorite brands, NeoRay Lighting and Corelite. So we are now bringing you everyone's favorite batwing optic from NeoRay into the Corelite Discreet product. So now that I've got you hooked on the technology of the product, we should probably talk about some of those refining details like the finishes. Your options are in black, white, or silver for the housing, and you can even mix and match any of those finishes with the black or white baffle. Okay, when you're doing continuous runs, I know a lot of products in the market probably have a gap in between each segment. You don't have to worry about that with the Corelite Discreet. It is truly baffle to baffle with no gaps, no seams, all the way to the end of your run. All right, for all you control freaks, don't you worry. We can totally integrate our wavelengths control sensor into either the end cap or in the middle of all continuous runs. Now let's talk about spaces that might have the best benefit of using a product such as the Corelite Discreet. Think tech companies, corporate offices, anywhere where employees are going to be sitting under fixtures all day with reflective computer monitors, or perhaps medical facilities that want to reduce glare for elderly citizens. Or even think about spaces that just want the base of the room design to speak louder than the actual ceiling. For example, perhaps a really nice wood grill ceiling. Now, I hope I haven't been very discreet about why this product is so amazing and why you should probably specify this on your next project. If you have any questions though, please reach out to your CTAC agent and we will be more than happy to help you with your specification. Thanks so much for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all those CTAC Studios videos.